Well, I think that...
Mum, can you wipe my bum?
What do you want? Oh, I'm sorry, Mrs. Smith. I thought you were someone else. Is Ben okay? He's not in trouble, is he? He better not be in trouble. So he's coming home for 10 more days. Bloody Zoom. What do you even need history for anyway? You're meant to be the tech expert. How'd you turn the camera on?
I don't want to eat that. Mum.
Will you stop moaning? You can't just eat crisp and biscuits all the time. Sometimes you have to have a healthy meal. There you go.
Mum, my mic is muted.
Oh, I'm on the toilet! Get out! Don't get no privacy!
Mum, there's no toilet paper.
Then maybe you shouldn't poo as much.
It's okay. I just used baby wipes.
What? No, you're bloody too much. Yeah, Karen and I completely agree. We did take a massive hit last quarter, but the good news is we're still on target and we're hitting...
I'm hungry, Mum.
Get a bag of crisps then, love. Sorry about that.
I don't want crisps.
Then get a chocolate bar then. I'm in a meeting.
But there aren't any that I want.
Okay, yeah. Sorry. I'm going to kill them. I promise you our maths homework wasn't like this when we were younger. It was only 6.
Mum, can you unmute the mic, please?
Yeah, that's great, Sarah. Well, I think that...
Mum, can you wipe my bum?
If you could just all excuse me for a second. Thank you.
The schools will be opening again on the 8th of March.
Yes! The 8th